Welcome to Twisted Creations. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a coffee sugar scrub. I have coffee grounds over 1 cup coffee grounds by Cafe Bustelo. Over here I have 1 cup regular sugar over here, and I have half a cup of coconut oil over here. And the fragrance oil I'm going to be using is Cappuccino from Nature's Garden. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of that. So let's get started. First I'm going to put my coffee in, and then my sugar. I'm also going to be making in another video a coffee salt scrub. The difference between a salt and a sugar scrub is that salt, if you're oily, the salt helps draw the oils out of your skin, while sugar is a great exfoliant and helps keep the moisture in your skin. So that's the difference. So I'm going to measure out my fragrance oil now. This is a great cappuccino smell. I think it's this nice sweet coffee cappuccino smell. So I'm going to pour this in with the coconut oil, and then we're going to mix. I'm also going to be putting a preservative in here because I'm going to be selling these on Etsy. And I'm going to be using this in the shower, and if there's going to be any water contact with the product, you want to use a preservative so that way, sorry I'm focusing, it doesn't mold. You don't use very little. I just lost my lid. Haha, I found it. You use very little preservative. You don't need a whole lot, but if you're going to have any chance of water contact, you want to use a preservative. And since I plan on using this in my shower and selling it, I want a preservative. Now mix well. I will leave a photo in the corner of where I found this recipe at. Okay, I'm back. I got more jars. I forgot I didn't put polysorbate 80 in it, so I'm going to add that real quick. I'm going to only use 1 tablespoon. There we go. I like using polysorbate 80 in my scrubs and in my bath bombs because it is really good at emulsifying the oils with the water, and it makes it easy to clean off the oils off your skin. It doesn't leave a ring in your tub. I just love the way polysorbate acts in products. Mix that in. Really want to invest in a whisk or a hand mixer. Since I'm getting more into the scrubs now, I think that would be a good idea. Alright, that looks thoroughly mixed. I like the smell that's coming off of it. Can't smell the cappuccino, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add another tablespoon. Teaspoon, not tablespoon. I need to remember as I'm doing this to use more fragrance oil for the amount of coffee and sugar that I'm using. Because I want to be able to smell the cappuccino, sweet smell of that with the coffee. So we'll stir this some more and then see what I got. Alright, I can smell the sweetness of the cappuccino along with the natural smell of the coffee grounds that I used. Alright, that's good. Tap this down. I don't want any pockets. Okay. So right now I have it filled up to the edge. I think I wanted to fill it up just a little bit more. I always like it when I get a scrub from the store that it's full to the tippy top, so I'm going to try to get the most amount that I can in these jars. But as you can see, I'm filling up the last jar. This one's going to be mine that I'm going to use in my shower. I got 4 jars out of this batch. I do not know how much they'll weigh. I'll leave that in the description or on the Etsy site, of course. So I'm going to bring in a bowl of water in just a second. I'm going to clean some stuff and move some stuff out of my way real quick to make this easier. So set this aside, bring in a second bowl, and I'm going to show you how well this exfoliates on your skin. Bring that in the screen. So As you saw in the previous video, I made a sugar lemon one that I've been using in my showers, and I think it's great on my legs and on my arms, especially the spots where I shave at, my armpits and my legs. I love it on my face. I still use the sugar cubes as well. As you can see, it's a nice exfoliation. It's a fine, not too rough on my skin. And now I'm going to rinse it off. Of course, it changes the water black. And there you go. It leaves a nice, oily, soft, takes off the dead skin. And then the polysorbate, as you can see, leaves a nice, not too oily film on your skin. It rinses off nicely. Until next time, have a great day.